Hey, what's going on YouTube? I got a quick one for you today. I got a mail call from a buddy of mine on Instagram. Goes by the name of Tools of America, and I will post a link to his Instagram page in the description. But go check him out. He's a cool dude. Long story short, I had this old Craftsman ratchet 3/8 made in USA. Classic style. I think it's from like the early 90s, maybe 80s. I'm not really too sure. I broke the switch off of it. You could see it broke off right there. And went to warranty it, and they wanted to swap it out with the Made in China Craftsman, and I was like, nah, I don't want to do that. I like these old ones. They're classics. Not that I really use it much, but it's always nice to have them around, and it's just kind of just a classic. I mean, it just has good memories. My buddy Tools of America on Instagram said he had the part that I needed, so he shipped me out this switch, and it's the same switch, just different color. It's black, but you can see this piece is not sheared off, and he offered to send it to me $5 flat, and as you can see, it was $4.20 to ship it, so roughly 80 cents for the part. And I just wanted to thank him, and he's got a good tool collection, and you guys should go check him out. So anyways, we're gonna put this thing back together, and we got ourselves a rebuilt ratchet. Alright, so now you can see now the selector switch works. I got tighten and loosen. I add a little bit of Bendix grease lube to the gear teeth. Doesn't really help too much, but better than nothing. And we got ourselves a rebuilt ratchet, made in USA. And if you couldn't tell from the video, it was a really pain in the ass to get this in. With the way they have this little clip in here, it's tough. But we got it done, and there we go. Thanks for watching.